to deposit money from Venmo to Prizepicks. The process is relatively straightforward. First, open the Venmo app and navigate to the Me section at the bottom of the screen, which will take you to the dashboard. From there, click on the Transfer button next to the Venmo Balance section. A window will appear where you can enter the amount you want to transfer. Select your transfer speed and choose the transfer method, in this case, a bank account. If you haven't already linked a bank account, you'll have the option to add one. Since direct transfers from Venmo to Prizepicks are not possible, you'll need to transfer the money to your bank account first. Once the transfer is complete, open the Prizepicks app, click on the plus icon at the top of the screen, and select the Add Funds option. Choose bank transfer as the payment method. Enter the amount, and click on the Deposit button. You'll then be prompted to enter your bank details, which will complete the transfer.